Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Wine. Today I'm going to make Leches cake. This is a 3-meal cake. This is also a less ingredient recipe. These are the ingredients for preparing Leches cake. Stew half cup of flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Mix it well. Take a bowl, add 2 eggs and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla essence and beat it. Half cup of sugar and beat it. Next, add 1 tablespoon of melted butter and beat it. Add dry ingredients little by little and mix it by cutting fold method. Meanwhile, preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius to 10 minutes. Finally, add 1 tablespoon warm milk into it. Pour the batter into a tin and bake for 20 to 25 minutes. Next, take a bowl and add half of whipping cream and beat it. Take another bowl and add 1 cup of milk, 1/4 cup of condensed milk and 1/4 cup of fresh cream and mix it. Transfer cake into a pan and make a hole with toothpick. Pour milk mix over the cake. Next, decorate with beaten whipping cream and chopped nuts. This is an easy recipe of Tres Leches cake for kids. So that's for this video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. See you all in next video. Thank you.